Hello, this is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and today we are on a road trip to Payson, and because we want to look for a little place there, and let's see if we can find something. And I'm gonna take you on the road trip to Payson from us. It's about 80 miles away.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Yeah, we're going into the mountains. As you see, some of the areas that are here are burned. There was some fire here, but then you see there are mountains, so we climbed up a little mountain and then we are driving it down again. This is Highway 87, Beeline Highway, and there's this very be known for bikers because they like to ride here in the cooler areas, and probably over knows this area of Arizona country as well. When you look at the right side, there could be fire, or there was fire here. Some fire was set and some fire was not set. So let's climb up the mountains and look for. Here are still some saguaro cactus, but let's look up for the mountains for some forest. What amazes me on electric vehicles, if you put it on a certain speed, effortless, it pulls up the mountains. You don't need it, you don't see and hear any huffing and puffing like the truck here, that has difficulties to rise up the mountains. Here you can set it to a certain speed and the car just pulls forward and keeps the speed without any noise. And this is an emergency brake for a truck. Yeah. Check their brakes before they get the 7% decline again. And then there will be also soon an emergency runaway, so that if the truck cannot brake anymore, they have a way to put their truck in sand before it runs crazy in the valley. Yeah, and here on the right side you can see everything burned down. So if it's dry and hot, and some people are not careful, that it's very easily that this starts inflaming. Here's a runaway truck ramp in case the truck cannot stop. You can see it here on the right side. You can go straight and go into a gravel ground. Still 7%. Slow. Now we know why here is a construction zone, because on the right side the wooden barriers there, which probably becoming plank, they got burned off. So it's actually a protection. Side protection is from steel, but the poles for that is in wood, and they all burned off. That means there's no side protection, and that has to be repaired. As you can see now, it's becoming much greener, and we are approaching rim country. As you see in the back, there is the rim country, or the rim, Maryland rim, and we are approaching Payson here. And this one you know already. Even in the countryside there is a supercharger here, and it's on the left side. We'll drive around here, and there are 16 stalls all in a row. That's a Payson supercharger. We have a break here
south on North Beeline
because we did not have breakfast yet, and we just have a little bit of late breakfast. Yeah, now we are in the mountain area and you see quite a few trees, and that's in east direction of Payson. And there is also sometimes skiing possible here in the areas. We soon have to turn left. Eine dream under the construction. Yeah, this looks like forest. Yeah. Some speed bumps. Yeah, that is forest here in Arizona, with a little lake even attached. So I think so there. Ja, auch noch. Yes, must be the property through here.
Muss zwei Lakes sein.
I think they built an artificial lake here. Yeah, this is high country, Arizona. It can be nice in Arizona as well. So that would be the area here. The house will be on that hill. And a couple of the trees have to go away. Some of them, there was already a fire here. It's dried out, but usually pretty good area to get solar on the house. And gas I don't need. You take some of the trees and do firewood. No. So yeah, that looks good. That what would be the entrance here from here. Dann holen hier auch noch die Coyoten. Kann ich auch. So as you can see, pure forest here. And a couple of houses alongside the street. And power lines. You guys even have a chance to see one of those big fires, bush fires in the back. It's basically happening now. Maybe we're coming a little bit closer here. Yeah, that was not here this morning when we passed by, but now it is. The temperature is still too high, as you can see. When you saw the last episode where we made a road trip to the Swallow Lake, that fire is very close to the Swallow Lake. There's an airplane right there of extinguishing the fire. They are pushing this reddish powder on it. As you can see, it's making a turn. It's grabbing water from the lake and then it's pushing on top of it. Pushing the water mixture with the reddish water mixture on top of it, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see, we are going to the end of our road trip. Which was a short one-day road trip, about 80 miles or so out to Payson and back. And to see you, Arizona has a little bit more to explore than only desert and cactus. We also have forest and lakes. And that's what we want to show you today. And if you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.